Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Cactus and succulents are booming in popularity right now for two simple reasons. One, they are attractive, and two, they are drought tolerant. Some cacti do not have thorns, like Christmas cactus, and some succulents do have them, like euphorbia or crown of thorns. What defines a true cacti are areolas, small, fluffy, cotton-like lumps on the body of the cactus where spines, branches, and flowers may sprout from. All cacti have them, while other succulents do not. What makes them similar is that they all have specialized cells that help them store water in their stems and leaves. Technically, a succulent is any plant with thick, fleshy, water storage leaves and stems. That's why these plants are often rounded or have ribs that can expand and contract like a balloon or an accordion. And that's why they can survive long, dry spells. However, there are a few things you should know before you start your new cactus or succulent garden. Not all cactus and succulents will take our extreme temperatures. Some of them may sunburn if left in our intense afternoon sun, especially if they get any reflected heat from windows or concrete. And many of them may freeze in our cold winter temperatures. So do your homework and look up or ask about the particular plant that you want, and make sure that you plant it in the right location and take precautions to protect it if needed. If you buy a cactus or succulent that has been kept in the shade, don't put them out in direct sun right away. If you don't acclimate them slowly to the full sun this time of year, they may sunburn. Or you should plant it where it gets only morning sun and afternoon shade or filtered sun. The next thing you should know is that they can be very easily overwatered. You should water them deeply when you do water them, but not water them often. The specialized roots of these plants are made to quickly absorb and transfer water to the stems whenever it is available, so they should only be watered when the soil is completely dry. By watering too frequently, they may rupture their storage cells and cause the stems to split open, or the roots may stay too wet and start to rot. That is also why good drainage is so critical for these plants. For more information on these plants, get a free copy of our Star Note number 405 at starnursery.com or on our free app for your smartphone. And don't forget, we make house calls. Go into your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.